Hello, my friends. Welcome back to American Lingo Academy. I'm Fiona, and I'm so excited to share today's lesson with you. Today, we're going to talk about something that will change the way you learn English forever. We're going to explore why you need both slow and fast listening practice to become truly fluent. Before we begin, let me explain how this lesson works. This video has two special parts. First, I'll speak slowly and clearly. This is perfect for listening practice and shadowing. You can repeat after me and really focus on every word. Then, at the end, I'll speak much faster. This fast section will help you understand how native speakers really talk in everyday life. Fast listening practice improves your listening skills dramatically. It helps you understand natural speed conversations. It also builds your confidence when you hear English in movies, TV shows, and real conversations. Let's start with a simple truth. Many English learners make one big mistake. They only practice with slow, perfect English. They listen to textbooks. They watch educational videos. They practice with teachers who speak very clearly. This is good, but it's not enough. Real English is different. Native speakers talk fast. They use contractions. They connect words together. If you only practice with slow English, real conversations will shock you. Think about learning to drive. Imagine you only practice driving at 10 miles per hour. You feel confident at this speed. But then you need to drive on the highway at 70 miles per hour. You would feel terrified. Learning English is exactly the same. You need to train your brain for both slow and fast speeds. Let me share a story about my student, Maria. Maria studied English for 3 years. She could understand her teachers perfectly. She felt confident in her English classes. But when she moved to the United States, she felt lost. People spoke so fast. She couldn't follow conversations at work. She felt embarrassed and frustrated. Maria realized she needed to train her ears for real-life English speed. So, why is slow listening practice so important? Slow practice builds your foundation. When English is spoken slowly, you can hear every sound clearly. You can identify each word separately. You can understand the grammar structure. You can practice shadowing, which means repeating after the speaker. Shadowing helps you develop natural rhythm and intonation. Slow practice gives you confidence and builds your vocabulary step by step. But here's the key point. Slow practice alone is not enough. You also need fast listening practice. Fast listening prepares you for the real world. Native speakers don't pause between every word. They speak at natural speed because it feels comfortable. When you practice with fast English, amazing things happen to your brain. Your listening muscles get stronger. You start recognizing words even when they're spoken quickly. Here's how fast and slow practice work together. Think of it like exercise. If you want to run a marathon, you need different types of training. You need slow, long runs to build endurance. You also need fast, short runs to build speed. Both types of training are essential. Your English listening needs the same variety. Slow practice builds your understanding. Fast practice builds your speed and reaction time. Let me give you a practical example. Listen to this sentence spoken slowly. I am going to the store to buy some groceries. Every word is clear and separate. Now imagine the same sentence at natural speed. I'm gonna go to the store and buy some groceries. Notice how going to becomes gonna? Notice how words flow together. This is how native speakers really talk. Many students feel discouraged when they can't understand fast English. They think they're not smart enough. This is completely wrong. Understanding fast English is a skill that develops with practice. Every native speaker learned to understand fast speech as a child. You can learn it too, but you need the right training method. Here's my step-by-step approach for combining slow and fast practice. First, choose interesting content that matches your level. This could be podcasts, YouTube videos, or TV shows. Start by listening to a short section at normal speed. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just get familiar with the sounds and rhythm. Next, find the same content with slower speed options. Many platforms let you adjust playback speed. Listen to the same section at 75% speed. Focus on understanding as much as possible. Then, listen again at 50% speed. This is very slow, but it helps you identify every word. Take notes on new vocabulary. Practice shadowing at this slow speed. Repeat after the speaker and focus on copying their pronunciation. After you feel comfortable with the slow version, gradually increase the speed. Try 80%, then 90%, then back to 100% normal speed. You'll be amazed at how much more you understand. This method works because it trains your brain gradually. You're not jumping from very slow to very fast. You're building your listening skills step by step. It's like climbing a ladder instead of jumping to the top floor. Each step prepares you for the next level. Remember, progress takes time and patience. Don't expect to understand fast English perfectly after 1 week of practice. Your brain needs time to adjust and develop. Some days you'll feel like you're improving quickly. Other days you'll feel stuck. This is completely normal. Every English learner experiences ups and downs. The key is to keep practicing consistently, even when it feels difficult. Set realistic goals for yourself. Maybe you want to understand 70% of a TV show episode. Maybe you want to follow a conversation with your English-speaking friend. Whatever your goal, break it into smaller steps. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each step forward is real progress, even if it feels small. Now, I'm going to speak fast, so get ready to challenge yourself. So here's the thing about listening practice. Most people think they can just jump into watching American TV shows or podcasts at full speed and somehow magically understand everything. But that's not how your brain works. You've got to train your ears gradually, like you're training for a sport. Start slow, build up your skills, then push yourself with faster content. And here's what's crazy. Once you get used to hearing English at natural speed, you'll actually start thinking in English more automatically. Your brain stops translating everything and starts processing English directly. That's when you know you're getting fluent. But this doesn't happen overnight, so be patient with yourself and just keep practicing every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Remember this important lesson. Both slow and fast listening practice are essential for English fluency. Slow practice builds your foundation and confidence. Fast practice prepares you for real-world conversations. Use both types of training consistently, and you'll see amazing improvements in your English listening skills. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories. Keep practicing every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope this helps you understand why variety in your listening practice is so important. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your English learning friends. Don't forget to subscribe to American Lingo Academy for daily English lessons. And here's my question for you. What topics would you like me to cover in future lessons? Leave your suggestions in the comments below. I read every comment and I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember that every day of practice brings you closer to your English goals. See you in the next lesson.